everyone, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. Bitcoin reaches short squeeze trigger zone as BTC price nears 20,000.4. Those betting on further downside begin to see setbacks as Bitcoin starts the Wall Street trading week with a spike higher. Bitcoin BTC regained some lost ground at the August 29 Wall Street Open might talk of an imminent short squeeze. Short lose out in modest squeeze higher for BTC. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView showed BTC or USD climbing to near 20,400 on Bitstamp as United States equities began trading. The move signaled welcome relief for hodlers who had looked on as the pair dove increasingly below 20,000 during the weekend. Now with the market aggressively short position, conditions appeared to favor a further relief bonds to burn those nursing short traders. You know what is next? Popular Twitter account to couple of crypto warrant reinforcing his belief that the bounce would be followed by a deeper retracement. Data from on-chain and on-chain monitoring results, CoinGlass meanwhile showed liquidation beginning to mount at the time of writing with combined cross crypto liquidations at 166 million in 24 hours. US stocks themselves opened slightly in the red while the US dollar index DXY, having earlier put in a new 20-year hike, began retargeting its peak after a prior retracement. DXY could be nearing its macro top similar why Bitcoin has in April 2021, Trader Jacques summarized it. Many bearish divergences seen on the daily chart is therefore something to keep an eye on. The moment the XI tops in the moment major assets print the macro bottom. Hard to get too excited. Zooming out, the mood among analysts remained like loser in the face of ongoing macro turmoil. After last week's U.S. Federal Reserve comments removed any hope of a policy pivot, stocks had little impetus for optimism as quantitative tightening looked set to continue. It's hard to get too excited about BTC and major pumps when the SPX looks like this. Trader and analyst George Rager concluded. There are going to be outlier assets that outperform and still pump in this bearish environment. But overall, outside of those tokens, it's hard to want to go heavy with equities downtrend. Altcoins meanwhile offered mixed progress as Bitcoin gained, with Ether, ETH landing the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. ETH or USD traded up around 6% on the day at the time of writing, passing 1,500. Lower cost, higher speeds after Ethereum's merge, don't count on it. There is a lot of hype surrounding Ethereum's merge, but in reality, most users aren't going to notice much change. As we approach the date of Ethereum's merge, users have speculated about what it will mean for project and the wider ecosystem. Some argue the merge will have little impact on gas fees and believe transaction speeds might improve. However, in general, most ordinary users will not notice much change. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.